little little dark up to the north. It's a beautiful Friday morning here. We'll look to the south now. A little more clear, but yeah, we just had a round of thunderstorms come through here. Pretty crazy. I was not expecting that. Any more cool lightning strikes through the sky? That was pretty cool. I just missed it, but maybe we'll catch another one. There's a little one. Whoa. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Haven't heard that sound in a long time. Sound of morning birds singing. A little before 10 a.m. Ride over to Alter and see what's going on. I mean, the train crew's there. While I was watching the lightning, they were swapping out the gondolas, or dropping the gondolas. And it's been about 30 minutes now. And they're still sitting there. I figure we'll take a ride. Figure we'll take a ride over here and see what's up. I don't know, maybe they're waiting for them to fill the 2 gondolas before they leave. I don't know. I thought they would have left already. Oh. I guess they need fuel or something. I didn't record what they did, but they put a sign out on the tracks in front of the locomotive. Almost like a warning. I don't know for what, but it was weird. It was had yellow bars on it. Had some sort of sign. Like I said, they put it across the road on the tracks in front of the train. What do you think? Water? Is that a water hose? Yeah, they're putting a water hose into the tank. I thought it was fuel. It was not. It's water. I think he's got a pump or something on the back. It would appear they're trying to do it themselves rather than have the county or city do it. If you recall in one of the last videos, they stopped here on the last time they were going north, and the Brighting Township people came out to the fire hydrant, filled them up. Also, if they can or will, they can stop at the Iron Mountain Fire Department, and they will fill them up. All sorts of action, huh? Oil change time. That's a lot of gallons of something, right? Maybe hydraulic oils. Well, they carried like 6 gallons of something over, and then they brought back the empty containers. They also carried over 2 5-gallon buckets of some sort of oil, all for 400. Must be servicing day. A little water for 400 as well. Well, maybe they're done now.
When the trains quit running in Amasa, our country is fucked.
Right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I can't believe they stopped running trains up there, actually.
Well, easier to haul on the road.
Definitely not cheaper, though.
No, it's not, but you know what? I don't know if you've ever been on... I've ridden the rails up there. There's slumps that you can't rebuild.
Right.
And you know how the EPA is.
Yeah. And they're not going to invest in
a new train.
Right. Turn the lights on.
Yeah, I haven't seen it. I'll have to turn around.
Guy stopped to talk with me just as the train started to leave, and apologize if you're watching my video right now. And like I said, I wish we could have sat there and talked for a little bit more, but train is leaving and I gotta go too. Man, what a smoke show from 400. They must have just obviously changed out all the fluids. Bumpy trail. Ding, 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 ding. Something's weird, huh? Beginning to wonder if they're gonna honk here or what. Well, at least we're not going north in the thunderstorms. That could have been bad. Well, bad for me because I don't want to be filming in the rain. Yeah, that guy stopped to ask when I thought any trains might be going back to Amasa. He said that there's a bunch of trees down on that line now. So if they were, they would have to go take care of all of that first. I didn't think it'd be 2 hours waiting for this train this morning, but obviously they had to get serviced for something. Anyway, I guess we'll head over to Iron Mountain. We'll catch them through town there and see how many impatient people we have. I tried to stop that car right there. He's got a dog leash or something dragging down the street behind it. I honked and I waved. He waved and just kept on going. Well, I'm honestly surprised nobody has gone out in front of it. Hard to believe. Getting into another thunderstorm. And of course, it's going to start pouring here, isn't it? Hurry up, train, it's starting to rain. You guys better be slamming that thumbs up button right now. Standing out here in the rain. Lightning. Whoa, this crossing isn't working. Yeah, I didn't know this one wasn't working. I guess after that incident last week that I had on film that I had to call the railroad about, must have caused them to turn it off. Whoa! You guys better be slamming that thumbs up. Oh my God. Holy moly. Wow. Jeez. People. My voice is crackling. It's storming out. Man, my window's open. Man, I had to stop and dry myself off. Holy. I guess the timing was very good. I guess I am going to be in a thunderstorm now, but jeepers. Didn't know I was going to get soaked today. Tell you what, that heat sure feels good. It's still 35 degrees. 35 degrees and raining, thunderstorming. Huh. There's hail all over the road here. I don't know if you guys can even see that, but there's hail all over the road. Glad I didn't have to go through that. Just a little hail now. Favorite time of the year when the rain washes all the oil off the roads. Well, I guess after this, we'll go over to Granite Bluff. You know, I haven't filmed the train coming north at Granite Bluff in quite some time. So I think that's what we'll do. We'll go up to Granite Bluff and we'll catch them there. Quite the clouds there, huh? A little bit of hail here, huh? A little bit of hail. Must have been pretty exciting here a little while ago. The sun is trying to pop out. Pretty amazing after the morning I've had already. Yeah, I've missed this view. Well, happy but sad. Happy the train is over, but sad the train is over, because that's gonna be it, folks. Happy to get back in my warm car and turn up the heat. Finish drying off. Head home, edit this video, get her on for you. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and make a comment below. Green Fred. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. There's an old top of a pole right there. Pretty cool. You guys have a great day. Stay dry, eh? Can't believe all this hail everywhere, and hail and leftover snow and more hail, and whoa, look at the size of that one. Woo, look at the size of that one.